My name is Syafiq Sabri. I'm an artist, a sculptor, graduate from UiTM Shah Alam, and I do arts using constructive materials, particularly with tiles and mosaic. Collaborate with Niro ceramic group. Collaborating with Niro ceramic group has been a meaningful experience to me, which is as an artist, I have been always see that some materials carry both history and functionality. So from the tiles, I see that the tile is perfect for that things, and they are often looked as everyday material, which is we basically use for the decoration of house, and I turn it into my visual narrative, into my self-expressions. So working with Niro has allowed me to explore this material beyond its conventional use and reconnect with a part of my own personal story. My approach begins with the idea of reconstruction, which is I reconstruct what I broke, and I intentionally broke the ties and challenge their perfection, and then reassemble or merge it back to create new compositions. So this mirror how I view change, growth, and also healing. One surprising challenge is the process itself, which is I break the ties and it's liberating and unpredictable, which is the shape itself, it turned to a random shape. But through that, I discover the beauty of the imperfection, which is even it's broke, it's pretty. Yeah. And each broken piece found a new role in the artwork, which is the process itself become a metaphor, and it is a transformation and also a resilience process. Yeah. Sometimes blocking that the ties can get the what we call it wound on my hand, because sometimes I'm not wearing my glove. So obviously this is my first time working with ties and ceramic. So it's very fun experience to me, because I can learn something new. I can learn new technical for me as an artist, because before this I'm just doing like painting using just a paint, drawing on canvas. But this is interesting materials to work with, because it have a textures. The tile itself is shiny and it's beautiful. It's a beautiful material. Yeah.